What is up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most super simple install that you guys can do on your vehicle. This is also pretty cool because it is going to save your truck in the long run. I'll go ahead and explain why once we get into the video, but let's go ahead and just dive right into it. Alright, so basically what this bad boy right here is a hood protector. So I'm going to show you right now how to install it. It's pretty straightforward. I'm sure anybody can do it, but I'm going to show you anyways. But I'm going to go ahead and overlay it just for now to give you an idea. So this basically goes right here. It is from WeatherTech, so if you do end up wanting to purchase it, it's going to be in the description box below. The one that I did purchase here today is going to be their low profile one. They do have two different versions. As I stated, this is the low profile. And then they also make another one that is a stone and bug protector, which is a little bit more harder than this, but it is a little bit more bigger if I'm not mistaken. And it takes a couple more steps to install. If you guys want to see a video on that, my good friend Rob Motive has made a video on it. You can go check his video out and just kind of see the differences if you like this one or that one. So let's go ahead and just dive right into it so I can show you how this looks when it's installed. You guys, so inside the package, it's going to come with, of course, your instruction manual, which I never read. It's going to come with your alcohol prep pads, and it's going to come with your surface prep. Let's go ahead and get to it. It's super simple. So of course, the first thing you want to do whenever installing anything that has a 3M double-sided type of tape, you want to go ahead and wash down the surface. And then once you do that, you want to go ahead and of course get some alcohol wipes, or in my case, I'm going to go ahead and use my own alcohol and a microfiber towel to go ahead and clean off the surface one more time. So let's do that first. I'm going to go ahead and do the cleaning job first with the pads, and then I'll go ahead and use my alcohol. Now that I use the provided alcohol pads, for me, I like going to the extreme, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my own alcohol and a clean microfiber towel, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the surface off one more time. As you can tell, I did apply a lot of alcohol because I want to make sure this is super clean, so that way the actual 3M tape bonds to the actual paint and it won't fall off on the freeway. So once you've cleaned off the surface, you want to go ahead and get the provided pad, which is going to be for the prep. It does say to wear gloves, so to avoid skin contact. So that's what you want to go ahead and do. Follow directions on that. There's probably a reason why. So there's the pad. Let's go ahead and wipe down the surface where we're going to be installing it. It's probably some. You want to go ahead and now finally get the WeatherTech, and you're going to flip it around. You want to start from the middle out. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this middle section here. Once you have this middle section open like that, you can go ahead and now kind of start laying it where you're going to put it. Make sure the residue that you just put on is dry before you do this. Align it correctly. Once you've put it where you're going to want to put it, go ahead and start removing the red. If I was you guys, I probably wouldn't push it down just yet. Alright. Of course, we need to now remove these ones. Start pushing it down. And you want to make sure to give it some firm pressure all the way around. That way it does actually bond to the paint, of course, correctly. As I stated, you don't want this thing flying off on the freeway. So make sure to cover every inch of this bad boy right here. And it's going to look really good once you're done. Now we can go ahead and finally remove the top coating, which is just like a plastic piece. Easily to remove. You literally just pull it right over. Just like that. And as you can tell, it does give the truck a brand new look, and now it's actually protected. Nothing's going to happen. If a rock hits it or bugs or anything like that, you're going to notice it's just going to keep it nice and clean. The cool thing about this installation that we did today is you could literally do it anywhere. As you can tell, anywhere. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos, you guys. Always make sure to subscribe for those giveaways as well. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, please make sure to like the video. It really helps out. But as you can tell, it gives the truck a whole new look. I like it because, of course, I do have window visors already. So it just kind of matches all the way around. And the truck is, of course, with a lot of black accents. So it looks really good. And it's also, of course, protecting it. So overall, I like it. And for the price, you can't beat it. And of course, if you guys know what WeatherTech Weathertech is. You guys know it's a really good brand. So I'm excited about the price. I honestly thought it was going to be a lot more. So if you want it, it's going to be in the description box below. And as I stated, they do make 2 versions. This one is the Low Pro, and then they also make another one that's a little bit, I believe, thicker. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
Howdy.
How you doing?
Nice truck, brother.
Thank you.
Ended up being not a bad day to be out.
I know, it's nice. The one that I had to tell me when. I'm fat.